Meet the project review space in Wrike, a complete system for turning project insights into real, trackable action. Everything lives in two folders, your projects and your action plan. Let's see how they work together. Inside the projects folder, every project follows the same four-phase lifecycle: planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. Every project has a dedicated folder for logging review items in real time, and there's no guessing about how to fill it in. 4 custom item types keep everything organized. Accomplishments capture your wins. Lessons learned surface process insights. Problem areas flag your challenges. And future considerations cover what comes next. Every item also gets a priority level, plus a manager approval flag for anything that needs sign-off before moving forward. For team retrospectives, there's a built-in Project Retrospective whiteboard ready for you. It follows a simple start, stop, and keep format. Blue for new ideas, red for what isn't working, and green for what's worth keeping. When the session ends, select your stickies and hit Convert to Wrike items, and every sticky note becomes a tracked task automatically. All those insights from the retro folders and the whiteboard feed go directly into the action plan folder, organized into 4 buckets. Avoid ineffective practices, focus on future improvements, incorporate effective practices, and maintain successful initiatives. Each action gets a manager approval flag, along with a category tag. The space-level analytics dashboard ties it all together. Priorities, category breakdowns, and completion progress across every project in the space. One real-time view, ready to share with leadership. No more insights lost in meeting notes. No more retrospectives that go nowhere. Download the Project Review solution and turn every project into a learning opportunity starting today.